massive group ride, this rider witnesses the worst case scenario. One bike comes in way too fast, rear ends a rider, and sets off a chain reaction crash through the group. Another reminder to stay cautious on big rides, or avoid them altogether. After hitting a bump at high speeds, his bike is sent into a violent speed wobble, and this rider makes the worst move possible by letting go of the bars. Remember, in a wobble, stay loose, stay centered, and keep a firm grip. Letting go only makes things worse. Out of nowhere, this rider gets yelled at by a pickup driver claiming he's riding recklessly and that he's an off-duty cop. But before it escalates anymore, a bystander steps in, and what happens next is something you don't see every day.
Thank you, bro. I don't know what this guy's on.
As he's finishing up at the pump, this rider gets an unexpected scolding from an impatient grandma who's really not in the mood to wait.
Idiot. Hello. Are you getting gas?
I'm about to go.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Okay, I mean, there is that gas tank right there, too.
I'd like you to go, please. Okay?
I'm getting all my gear on. I'm trying to be safe.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Have a good one.
But the funniest part, watch where she ends up parking right as he begins to leave. Riding in the snow is no joke, but this rider's dedicated to getting his errands done. One slippery corner nearly catches him off guard though. Just watch.
I was trying to give you the benefit of the doubt so you pass that car and end up passing to it.
Right there?
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
You can't do that. So no passing zone for a reason. Let's say you're passing.
Pulled over while trying to catch up to his buddies, this rider expects the worst. Instead, the cop gives him some solid advice, proving not every stop has to end badly.
I know you're trying to keep up with your buddies, but it becomes unsafe. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
It's just going to be a warning, man. You got to hear me out, though, okay? I've had tons of motorcycles. I've had tons of friends get hurt. I had an R1, Gixxer, a bunch of stuff, okay? And I've seen people get hurt, and what you did was super unsafe, okay? So just be careful. I don't want someone to hit you head on. I don't want you to lose control because of gravel, you know, and you're passing in on no passing zone. I know you're trying to keep up with your buddies, but just passing in the passing zone and you won't get in trouble. You know what I'm saying? As long as you're staying under the speed. Okay, I'd hate for you to get a ticket. You got a clean record. I'd hate for you to get in trouble. All right, so it's just going to be a warning. Okay. I appreciate you being honest with me and not lying to me and saying, "No, man, I didn't do that." You know. So just honesty just goes a long way. Okay, just be careful. That's the main thing. We're out trying to find drunks and stuff. We're not trying to pick on you guys. We're just trying to have fun. All right, man. Go catch up with your boys. Be careful. Okay. All right. Take care, man. All right. Thank you.
Approaching stopped traffic, this rider notices a car quickly closing in from behind. He makes the smart call and continues to dip onto the shoulder instead of staying in the middle. This is exactly why riders always need a backup plan when stopping in traffic.
You'll go down first? Alright.
Riding through tight gaps leaves zero room for error. This group of riders decide to have some fun and ride between two trains, but this biker gets a reminder that narrow spaces can bite back.
Oh my gosh. Kind of feel something spooky through here. Oh my gosh. Some extra presence on the edge of these tracks over here. Nobody clip up. Nobody clip up. Watch your handlebars. Woo! Woo! Rob one down. Well, too much talk. Wow, stupid move, but hey.
Sometimes honking beforehand isn't enough, and this rider does everything he can to warn the traffic ahead that he's coming down the road.
कैसा आया देखा आपने? देखा नहीं देखा आपने? गलती भाई की। अभी इसका नुकसान भाई, ये देख पूरा टूट गया है। रिकॉर्ड भी हो रखा भाई पूरा ऐसा। हाँ, मैं ज़्यादा तो नहीं लगी। The four-wheelers do way better than I do. You do it. Let me think about it. I'll go around one more time.
Riding through the rural trails they believed they were cleared to use, these bikers are caught off guard when an angry property owner shows up out of nowhere. And it's clear that he's done with people trespassing on his land. Just watch.
Turn it off. What are you guys doing back here, man? Huh? Grizzly gave you permission to ride on someone else's property.
He just said it was okay.
The owner's right there. Who did? Russell?
Crystal.
Crystal? That's Ivan's daughter?
Yes. She said we come back here. I swear to God. I'm not making that up.
So she might have said that.
She did. We were parked over there.
You guys stopped, you didn't run her out, and I'm just saying. Was she stupid? This is the whole property's posted.
That's what she told me. She said it was an abandoned campground and that we could come riding here. And then she said,
I understand. We're not trying to f you guys up. You
yeah.
guys are kids, man. I thought it was someone else. I've already had people here.
No.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, sorry about that.
No, it's fine.
Just if everyone didn't sue everyone nowadays, it'd be fine. But
yeah, dude.
Yeah, so
just liability and everything.
Yeah, that's all it is a liability thing, man. We're gonna go to talk to Ivan right now.
Yeah.
And we're not getting you guys in trouble, man. I don't need a bunch of names or nothing, all right?
But we gotta get out of here though?
Yeah, you just can't ride her
go,
anymore, dude.
Don't come back.
Like you said, it's not like the old days where you guys could ride, get hurt, no big deal, but if you get hurt...
Yeah. Now we all come back on you.
Yeah, on him.
I'm not gonna do that, but I know you can't trust me.
But if you look at this place, a lot of people ride here,
Yeah.
right? And they're not allowed to, man.
Yeah. Well,
During hunting season, I caught adults back here last year during hunting season, so... Especially during
a lot of
hunting
them,
season.
yeah.
A lot of people are assholes too, and they don't stop.
I appreciate you guys stopping,
That's
man,
why I
because a lot of
came
kids
right up. I
fucking
know
run, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I myself, Edward!